To enhance the combat capabilities of the Marines, South Korea has developed an armed variant of the MUH-1 Marineon, revealed at the ADEX 2021. The Korean Marine Attack Helicopter, or MAH, based on the MUH, or Marine Utility Helicopter, designed for amphibious assault, close air support, and coastal defense missions. On October 16, 2023, MBDA announced a new contract with Korea Aerospace Industries to arm Korean Marine attack helicopters with Mr. ATAM air-to-air missile. Mr. ATAM is based on the Mr. short-range anti-air missile, known for its fire and forget engagement mode, ease of operation, and unrivaled kill probability. The ATAM system includes 2 launchers per helicopter, each carrying 2 missiles. Man-portable Mr. air defense systems are also in service with the Republic of Korea's armed forces. MBDA is a world leader in missile systems. MBDA and KAI are also working together to integrate the medium beyond visual range missile onto the KF-21 Boromir fighter aircraft. Also known as MAH for Marine Attack Helicopter, this is the armed variant of the Marineon helicopter, itself the amphibious variant of the KUH-1 Surion helicopter. The MAH has been the subject of great controversy domestically in past years, with some critics lambasting the government decision to select the Marineon as the Republic of Korea Marine Corps' future attack helicopter. This has not stopped KAI from working on the aircraft. The armed Marineon will use target acquisition and designation sites and helmet-mounted displays. It is hoped the addition of these equipment will make the aircraft more suitable for attack operations. Powered by a twin turboshaft engine with 1,800 plus horsepower, the helicopter can reach a maximum speed of 270 to 283 km per hour, a range of 828 km with auxiliary fuel tank, and a service ceiling of 4,595 meters. The Marine attack version is to be armed with Lockheed Martin's AGM-114 Hellfire air-to-surface missile, the Mr. ATAM air-to-air missile developed by MBDA, 2.75-inch non-guided or guided rockets, and the 20mm turret gun. Mr. ATAM is based on the Mr. missile with its fire and forget engagement mode. The system is based on 2 launchers, each bearing 2 missiles, and can be connected to the helicopter's combat system when mounted on combat helicopters or through simplified control equipment if installed on multi-purpose helicopters. In both cases, it is characterized by simplicity of operation, very low crew workload, and a high level of performance. The system can be operated within the whole flight envelope at the launch helicopter at speeds of up to 200 knots and at altitudes exceeding 15,000 feet. Mr. ATAM ensures a large off-board sight capability together with the ability to aim the missile seeker very precisely at a given target. The missile has a shape trajectory in order to intercept targets top-down or at long range. The crew can also select the proximity fuse mode.